Good morning, guys. In the last session, we discussed about the requirement for second mini project. So, anybody got any questions regarding this second mini project? Do you need any confirmation on the requirement? Guys, anybody having any questions on the requirement? Before getting started with the analysis part, anybody having any questions on the requirement part?
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
There is no forgot password option, right?
Yeah, forgot password already. No, we have not given that here.
Okay.
So if you want, we can add it. No issue.
Because the old password, we will have to save it in the database, right? If we implement forgot password.
Yes. Anyhow, password we are storing in the database. No?
Yeah,
Password
we
will
will
be there in the
save it,
database.
but we will have to overwrite the old password and new password
Yes, we
again and
need to
again, right?
override the old password when we are working with the new password.
Okay, fine.
Still, anybody having any questions, guys? Anybody having any questions? Nobody having questions? All are clear? Come on, guys, please confirm. Is everyone clear with all the functionalities? Yes. Anybody want to show me the database analysis that you have done?
I have done, sir.
Your name?
Purna.
Yeah, Purna. Can you share your screen and show me what is your DB analysis for this project?
Yes.
If anybody has not done the analysis, guys, so please do the analysis now. I want to see how you are working with respect to the analysis part. Okay, it's not like that every time I am doing the analysis. So I want you people to do the DB analysis now. What are the tables we need to take? What are the columns we need to take in the table? That I want to hear from you people first. Okay. Yeah. If anybody has not done, Purna, let us give some time for them.
Yeah.
Guys, I'm giving you 5 minutes of time. It's a class work. If anybody has not done the analysis, open your notepad and just write down what are the tables that are required for our application development, especially when we are working on this Spring Boot application. What are the tables we need for this project? Can you guys do that now? I will give you 5 minutes of time. I will give you 5 minutes of time. I want all of you to do that now. Is that okay? Is that okay for everybody? If anybody has not done this, so please do the analysis now. I want everybody to complete the analysis and show me today. Do that in the notepad. You write down what are the tables you are going to take and what are the columns you are going to take for this.
Hello, sir. Good morning. I
Yeah.
have done some DB analysis.
Yes, sir. If you are done with the DB analysis, then let's do the classes analysis. What are the classes we need? If your DB analysis is completed, then without wasting your time, let's work on your classes analysis. What are the Java classes we are going to take for this? Some people has not done the DB analysis. I'm giving some time for them today. So 5 to 10 minutes of time. I want everybody to complete the DB analysis. If I call anybody name, you need to share your screen and you need to show me the analysis that you have completed. If anybody has not done that yesterday, you can do it now. If anybody completed the DB analysis, they can start with the classes analysis now. What are the classes we are going to take for this project and what are the methods we are going to take for this project? Is my point clear?
Yes.
Sir, actually, I'm still stuck in that inquiry form, sir. I did not get a chance to work a whole lot on this yesterday's thing. I'm still working on video 17, sir. So I'm facing
Sir,
some
I
issues.
can't help you, sir. I have given enough time.
Right, sir. Right, sir. I'm checking, sir. Right
Yeah,
now,
so
it
you
is
need to do
giving me.
some hard work, sir. You need to do some hard work because I have given enough time for that.
Okay, sir. I will check further, sir. Yeah.
Because I have explained the code completely in the class and I have
Right,
done
sir.
the live coding also.
Right, sir. Right, sir. Like, if you are okay, I can share quickly, sir, for 1 minute, if that is okay.
Yeah, let's give some time for the people to do that. I will take your screen share at the end of the session.
Sure, sure. Definitely, sir. Yeah.
Guys, come on, please do that now. I want you people to complete the DB analysis now. If anybody has not done that, and you show me what is the analysis that you have completed.
Hi, sir. Good morning.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah, in the dashboard page, the URL that you have given, that one is fixed or
It is a fixed
uh,
URL. Is it working first of all?
uh, like, yeah, I think it is fixed. Also, the get new code. From there, do we need to store it in the database or we
No
are
need to
getting it
store in
random?
the database. No need to store in the database. Just you will hit that URL, you will get some response. That response you need to, I think that URL is not working. I will give you a different URL for the dashboard. Okay.
Yes. Okay,
That,
okay.
that URL is not working. That is a public URL basically, which will give you some random quotations in the JSON format.
Yes, sir. I tried the URL, but it is not working.
Okay, I will give you a different URL for that, no problem.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir.
Yeah. All of you, please complete this now. DB analysis. I want to see what is the analysis you have done for the database. I want to see the analysis that you have done for the database.
Hi Ashok, I have a small question. As per industry standards, how many columns we need to maintain for each table? Is there any
Sir, there is
specific?
no fixed limit like that, sir. It depends on the requirement. Based on the
Yeah,
requirement, you can take any number of columns.
yeah, thank you, Ashok.
Are you guys doing this? If you completed the DB analysis part, then do the analysis on the Java classes part. If you are done with the DB analysis, then please start working on the Java analysis part. Guys, are you getting my point? Yes. Do it in a notepad so that I can see that what you have done. If you do on the paper, I can't see that, guys. So take a notepad, join with your laptop, take a notepad and write down what are the tables we need for this project, what are the columns you need to take for the project. Once your analysis got completed and you start working on the classes part, what classes that we need for this project. Okay, because once if I start explaining that now, once if I start explaining that, then you will not get the time to think about it. What we are doing now, you will not get the time to think. So first I want you people to try something. Before we are going to start the project, I want you people to try something.
Hi Ashok, good morning.
Yeah, hi, good morning.
So I want to share my screen.
Regarding
So yeah, I did some database modeling. Yeah.
database analysis completed, then
I
start working on the Java class analysis. I will check, I will call
yeah,
the people names randomly and I will check that. Okay.
okay,
So if your DB analysis is completed, then start identifying the Java classes.
sure.
Guys, don't skip this analysis part. The biggest problem for the developers is analysis only. So I want everybody to involve in this analysis part. I want everybody to involve in this analysis part. And do it on the notepad, guys, so that I can review. Do it in the notepad so that I can review. Guys, are you doing this?
Sir, one doubt here.
Yes, sir.
Sir, are we going to store these codes on database?
Which one?
These codes which we are getting randomly, are we going to store it in database?
No, no, sir, not required. Just we will fetch from the third party API and we will display in our UI page. That's it. We don't need to store it anywhere.
Okay, thank you.
Saujanya, mini project FDD is already available in our new portal. You can log in into the new portal. There you can find out our FDD document. Guys, I'm hoping that you are working on analysis part, DB analysis part. The people who completed their DB analysis part, they need to work on database analysis part. Completed people should work on Java classes. So what is the procedure we followed for the first project? Same procedure we need to implement for the second project also. Whatever the procedure we followed for the first project, same procedure we need to follow for the second project also.
Sir, can you please share new portal URL, sir?
ashokit.in.
No, in okay. Yeah,
Yeah.
thanks, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, tell me.
One question, maybe it is not relevant. In our document, we are calling third-party API, right?
Correct.
So yesterday was my first day on project. So they give me to call a third-party API. I called with logic with REST template and then get for entity. That one guy was started scolding me that why you are not using object mapper and where, how it will work that. But what I know that all those things it is dispatcher servlet work right now.
Object mapper, yes. So directly you can do that. If you are getting the string data, then you can do the object mapper and you can map it to the JSON data. If you are taking object as a parameter, then dispatcher servlet will do that work for you.
Not get properly.
So it depends on the situation, sir. If you are not doing object mapping, you can take object as a method parameter. When you take object as a method parameter, dispatcher servlet will, whatever the data coming in the request, dispatcher servlet will convert the data into your object format.
Okay, like that return type you are asking, string dot class and all those things.
Yes, correct.
Okay. Okay. So I did correct what he was forcing his things. It. Okay.
Correct. Correct.
Sir,
Yes.
for this application, countries, states, and cities, for that we are creating the manually.
Yes, sir. We need to insert the data in the database manually.
Okay, thanks.
Everyone should improve your analysis skill, guys. If you watch my coding, my analysis, there is no use for you. So I want all of you to improve your coding skills. I want you to improve your analysis skills also. Okay. Improve your analysis skills and improve your coding skills. For that, you need to do some work. Okay. At least you need to complete 70% of analysis. Your 70% of analysis should match with my analysis. 70% of your analysis should match with my analysis, guys.
Ashok, Ashok sir, one quick question. So
Yes,
in new portal, I'm not able to log in with my registered Gmail ID.
you
Can
can
we?
use forget password option.
Okay. Yeah.
Guys, are you doing the Java classes analysis?
Ashok, I have done from my side.
Good, sir. Your class has also completed?
Yes,
Very good. We'll see that. So let's give some time for the people they are working on it.
sure,
You're done, you can start creating the project.
sure.
Guys, your target, you should be able to complete this project on your own. That is the main agenda. That is the main agenda. You should be able to complete this project on your own. Still anybody having any questions on the requirement part? The target is you should be able to complete this project on your own. For that, understanding the requirement is very important. Still anybody having questions with respect to the requirement?
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, hi.
Well, I've joined late. So I've implemented the project yesterday, completed. Can I show my code?
Project also completed?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very good, sir. I will check that, sir.
Okay, sir.
So let's people do some analysis.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
How much time it took for you to complete the project? Mr. Hari, how much time you took to complete that project?
Sorry, it took me whole day, sir. So I got stuck in the
Okay,
database phase operation for country, state, and city. So that take more time, too much time for me.
okay, okay. Yeah, Hari, can you share your screen and show me the project you have implemented?
Yes, sir.
Guys, one person already completed the project also. Let us see what is his implementation. You can share your screen. All of you please observe, see here what he has implemented.
Sir, is it visible to you?
Yes, sir, visible directly. Open the application. No need to show the code. I can see your screen.
Yes, sir. So I had to show you.
Just run the application. Yeah, run the application and show me that.
Yes, sir. So my login page is showing to you.
No, sir, I can see only your ID.
Sharing it. Is it showing, sir?
Yes, I can see now. Can you do sign up first?
Okay, sir. One second, sir. So how to set a total screen, sir?
I can see your browser now.
I want to show my whole screen.
You can stop this and stop the sharing, and you can share it again. Whenever you click on share option, First option you can see screen. Yes. Now you shade only your browser. I can see your browser.
Yes, sir. So is it visible, sir?
Yes, I can see.
It takes four tables, sir. One is for user registration and fetching country data from database for country table and state data for state table and for fetching city data for city table. So it means login page show to you.
Yes.
It is the update password page, sir.
Okay.
So here I got some box, sir.
Okay, the quote URL is not working. That's fine.
Yes, sir. So is everything okay, sir, except
Yeah.
the API
Fine.
call?
Yeah. Yeah.
Can I stop share?
Yes.
Thank you.
Guys, anybody want to show me the analysis they have done for both DB and Java? Who completed both? First, you need to do the database analysis, and then you need to do your Java classes analysis. Before I'm going to explain my analysis part, I want to hear from you. I want to see how much you are doing and what is your skill set, because already we completed one project. So I want to hear and I want to see from your side how
Yes,
much you are
I
able to do.
want to share it.
Can I
Sorry,
share
sir,
my
you are
screen?
doing?
Yeah, I'm completed.
Did you complete both
Yes, the
Yes,
database
sir.
and Java.
Completed.
database and Java? Both are completed. Okay. Who is your, what is your name?
Vamping.
Vamshi Gaur. Yeah, hi Vamshi. You can share it now. Vamshi, I gave you co-host permission.
Yeah,
Share your
yes.
screen and show me what is the analysis that you have done.
Hello. Yeah. Sir, I'm audible.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, the database science I have done. In database, we have taken the user table, country, state, and city.
Mhm.
For the user ID will be a primary key, which will be unique and auto generated. And the fields are name, email, phone number, country, city, and password. And for countries, for every country, we will take a primary key, and that country primary key will be accessed as a foreign key for state. So based on the country ID, we will get the state. So for a primary key will be accessed state foreign key. But for the states, primary key will be accessed foreign key for city. So based on the configuration, we will get states, and based on the states, we can get the cities. This might be coming to Java classes, we create a user entity. Uh, Sorry, here I forgot to mention country city. User entity and user repository. And for repository, we'll check for email for the duplicate email exists or not. And for login, we'll get fetch the email and password from the database. And we'll see user service class. In service class, we'll have four methods. For registration, one method, login from one method, and for updating the password, new password, we'll take another method. And for the dashboard, for the displaying of dashboard, we'll take a method. And that will be implemented in this user implementation class. And for control, in control class, we'll take control class for sending data to the view page. But for dashboard, whatever the functionality we have in dashboard, we'll take the dashboard class and do CSS star class. And coming to HTML pages, we have index page, registration, and visit password page, the dashboard page.
Okay. Good, sir. You can start creating. There is a small correction in your database analysis. So when I tell you that, you can correct it. So almost 90% correct. One small correction is required in your database tables. I will tell you what is that.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, good job. You can start creating the project now.
Yeah, okay.
So can I share my screen?
Purna, yes. Purna Chandra, you can share your screen now.
So those countries, those are master tables.
Create table country, okay. State table. Yep, city table. Address table. User table. Scroll down. Okay. Yeah, good. Come down. Entities, repository, service. Yeah, good, sir. Good job, Purna. You can start the coding part.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
And anybody got stuck in the analysis part? Sir, I'm not getting any idea to do the analysis. Is anybody feeling like that? Sir, I'm not able to do the analysis. I got stuck with the analysis. So anybody is feeling like that?
Sir, based on the screens, I just created like user table which has like columns like username, password, and based on register screen, I got like registry table where email, phone number, country, state, and city as the fields. Then the reset table, email, old password, new password, like that. Based on the screen, I created the tables, but looks like that is not the correct analysis, sir.
Based on the screens, you can't create the tables. Sir. Based on the overall functionality, you need to create the tables. So it does
Okay,
not
sir.
mean that for every screen, one table is not required, right?
Right.
So for example, if you take login page and registration page, for two pages, two tables are not required. Login and registration can be implemented with one table only. So you should never think that for every screen, one table. No, that is wrong analysis.
Okay, sir. Okay. So we need to see the functionality, right, sir?
Yeah, based on the functionality, you need to get the overall picture, the complete idea you need to get on the functionality. Then only you can do the database analysis. Without having the clarity on the requirement, you can't design the database. Database designing skill is very important if you want to become a good developer, because for every project, before if you want to first before you want need to start the coding, first your data model should be ready, first your table structure should be ready, then only you can do the coding part. If your table structure is not ready, then you can't do the coding. So that is the reason always we need to prepare the database structure before getting into the coding part.
Sir, how to improve that skill, sir? That is the
That
main
comes
million dollar
based on the
question, sir.
practice only, sir. Improve
Right.
means, so there is no shortcut for
Okay.
everything. Practice. Now we have done first mini project. So in the first mini project, several people are not able to do the analysis. Now in the second mini project, they are able to, some people are able to do. That is the maturity. They are learning from the first project. Right? So like this,
Right,
if you
right.
do couple of projects now, then definitely you will get that skill.
Sir,
Right, sir.
Yes.
in the user table, you also maintain the new password and updated password for the columns, right?
One column is sufficient, sir. No need to take multiple password columns. One column is sufficient.
That is the password column, right?
Yes, that is password. That's it. You don't need to take multiple columns for that.
Okay.
One column is sufficient.
Yes, Ashok. Like I have also completed the analysis for both DB and classes. Can I show?
Yes, sir. Whoever is completed the analysis, excellent guys, good job. And I want you to start the coding part today. You can start coding. You don't need to wait for me to complete the coding. So before I'm going to start the coding part, I want you people to complete the coding part. If you can complete this project on your own, then that is one of the greatest thing, guys. Yep, Sadanand, you can start sharing your screen.
No, sir. It's showing disable. Host disable the participant screen sharing.
1 minute. Yep, I give the permission now. You can start.
Yeah. So sir, for the data section, I have taken two tables. First is the regional data, where I am storing all the data related to this country, state, city together, with some
1
record
minute.
with
This
their
is the
code.
problem, right? Suppose if I have multiple countries, one country having multiple states, then what you will do?
So
For example,
in
let's
that
take
scene,
India. In the India,
yeah.
28 states are there. How you will manage that data?
So for that, there will be 28 entries for states with their respective countries.
Yeah, that is wrong
So
design. Your data is going to
okay.
become duplicate, right?
Yes, yes.
So
So
you need to
that
insert duplicate data in the table. That's not, you need to implement normalization. So with one table, you should not manage that data. For implementation,
okay,
you can do it with one table, but that's not a good design.
okay, I got it.
Yeah.
So I just thought it like that way, like instead of making three tables, there will be like even we are going to have a foreign key for in a state table, there will be a foreign key of country. So instead of having three tables, I just try to manage in one table. So that will be not a good
You
idea,
can
right?
manage in one table, but it's not accepted
Okay,
because of duplicate redundant data.
okay, okay, I got it, sir.
Yeah.
So then, sir, I'm making a single table for registration where I'm
Mhm.
saving the data related to the required data like name, email, password, country, state, and city.
Okay.
Having single column password, and there is a password reset flag,
Correct.
which will be able to, like, using this, I am able to decide whether the user has login for the first time or he has already reset his password, and there is an email flag to determine whether the email has sent successfully or not. So there will for here there is a single entity registration, and there is a for DAO there is a single DAO layer restriction, and this is a request password reset password request, which contain old password, new password, and confirm password. In my service layer, there is a generate password. After generating a password, I will be saving those data into a database, and then I'm just triggering the email. In my controller layer for the registration controller, I have only save registration. There is another layer, login layer, where I'm just checking whether the user is a valid user or not. Then I'm checking this password request flag. If it is if the flag is true, then it will be going to the reset password page, or it will be directly going to the dashboard page. And then this is a request password method, which will load the request password page, and the login controller will also have the get code, which is of the dashboard page.
Correct.
And for the UI, there will be 4 HTML pages.
Good, sir. Good job. You can start the coding part.
Okay. So only the issue is in database, right?
Yeah. Database, you instead of taking that, you can take multiple tables.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
So how to take the optimal number of tables, sir? Like we can take like for each column one table as well, or we can take like many tables also, right, sir? So depending on like only 1 2 tables or 10 tables,
It's
sometimes
not
that
like
is
that, sir. Nobody can fix that. Based on the
right, sir.
requirement, you need to do it. So in the first mini project, we have taken only 2 tables. That is the requirement. In the
Right, sir.
second mini project, we are going to take multiple tables, depends on the requirement. So how many tables we need to take, that nobody can fix it. It always depends on the requirement that we are having.
Right. So do the Java developers involve in that, sir, or database people involved in
No,
this design?
developer only should involve in that process.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay.
Developers only should involve in that process.
Right, right.
So Ashok sir, I have one doubt. Like
Yes.
having multiple table for the same thing or having a single table for the same thing, does it matter? Like as you mentioned in my database design, uh, for 28 state there will be a 28 entries of India, like country name. There will be 28 similar entries of India. So even if we go for different table, then there will be a foreign key present. So what will be the in real time how we are able to
Definitely,
decide whether
when we are working with this tables concept, right? We need to go for the normalization implementation. So we should not store the duplicate data in one table. We need to take multiple tables for that.
okay. So but even there will be a foreign key or if we go for the different tables.
Correct. Foreign key
Right?
will
Even
be
the
there. Yes.
yeah, so even the key is going to repeat for 28 time in the state
Yeah,
table.
that one column key repetition, that is not an issue. Foreign, whenever you are having a foreign key, suppose one employee having multiple addresses, one employee having 5 addresses, employee ID we will insert in the table. That's not an issue. So tomorrow I
Okay.
will tell you my design.
Okay, okay, got it, sir.
Yeah. Guys, I want all of you to complete this one and do the start the coding part for this one, okay? We'll meet in
Sir,
tomorrow session. Tomorrow I will explain my complete analysis for the database as well as for the Java. So I'm hoping that you people will complete this project before I'm going to start the coding. I want everyone to complete this project before I'm going to start the coding. Okay? Thank you guys.
Sir, can I share my
sir,
screen quickly, sir, if you have a minute, sir?
Yeah, please, you can share it.
Okay. Yeah, 1 second, sir. Okay, let me bring up my screen. Yeah. Okay. Screen. Sir, can you see my screen now, sir?
Yes.
Okay, sir. So, sir, I downloaded this login page and everything, sir. I am here as well. I'm able to go here as well. Basically, I'm getting error in this page, sir. When I submit, I'm getting this error like no resource found like that, sir, for HTML. I mean, I do have the HTML over here, and I was checking the controller and everything, sir. I couldn't
What is the
find
issue you are facing? Tell me that now.
Basically, it says no static resource found, and it is looking for this HTML, sir. I believe adding query.
Go to that
Adding,
method, adding query method.
okay, sir. Adding query. Adding query. Where is this one, sir? Adding query base. This one, right, sir?
Action and inquiry object is incorrect.
Your mapping is wrong.
Here, adding query. Here.
Yes.
Add inquiry. Post
Add
mapping.
inquiry.
Post mapping, add inquiry.
This is post. Okay.
Below that
No,
one,
no, not that
where
one.
your
Don't change that.
line
Next
number 58.
Oh, this one. Okay, okay. Yeah, add inquiry. Whole so complete word, sir.
This add inquiry placed in action. No. You are correct.
Okay.
Okay, now also correct. Yeah. You go and
You
action
copy
in
this
the HTML
URL,
page
line
and
number 58, copy that URL
Okay, sir.
and go to your
Okay.
form, add inquiry form.
Okay, sir. Add inquiry form. Okay.
Then you keep that URL pattern there.
The action, right, sir?
Yes. And why are you developing a normal form? Where is the timely form binding object? You are not developing form binding object.
red
Right.
floor bracket is
Oh, I need a flower bracket, right?
TH colon action, TH colon object. There is nothing available here. This is completely wrong, Mr. What is your name?
Praveen, sir. Praveen.
Praveen, this is completely wrong, sir. Whatever I have explained, yeah, you are not following that approach.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
So I will
correct
share
it,
my
sir.
code in the Git repository. Just compare it, okay?
Okay, sir. We'll do that, sir. We'll do that.
Because
Thank
you are
sir.
not developing the form with the binding object.
Right. I did it, sir. Then I kind of reverted a lot of code because of this issue. I will double check again, sir. I will compare
Okay.
with the
I
other.
will share it
Yeah.
now.
Okay, sir. Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, guys. We'll see you in the tomorrow session. Please try to do the coding before coming to tomorrow session.